Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Radical Lines Garage. I'm Simon, and today we are going to start with a bicycle project that I have been laying around for like 3 years now. I purchased these awesome white wall tires, old school look, 26 inches by 3. I also have bought a stiff fork for this, but we are building the frame and I'm not sure about if I'm going to put pedals or if I'm going to use electric e-bike motor or a two-stroke. I'm not really sure, but let's start building it first and then we'll see. I unfortunately cut my thumb up pretty bad about a week ago, so I can't work on customer vehicles right now because I charge by the hour and wouldn't be fair to them for me to try to determine how long things take for me to do when I have only like 50% of my hand movement. So that's why this project is perfect. It doesn't take too much room in the shop, and I can still get out in the shop and do something because I'm going crazy just laying on the couch and not doing anything. So let's begin. There you have it. The frame is marked up. Let's see. Looks pretty good. I have just tacked it in the corners right now. I'm gonna put it on the welding table and weld it up so it's solid. And then we're gonna continue on the tank and do the sides of those. And somehow, if I go the electric bike route, I want to be able to put in the batteries inside the tank. So I have to do some kind of removable patch on it. Or if I go the two-stroke route, I need to weld it up so it's solid. Well, let's see how we really need to decide what I need to do with it in terms of making it going forward. I also have bought a saddle for it. It's brown, old school kind of thing. Not sure about the bars yet. First thought when I see this is just do some kind of straight bars, but I think those will be insanely uncomfortable if you're trying to ride this thing. But we'll see. Or I'll do a crazy super high one. It's somewhere of those two. No in between. But it looks pretty good. I'm super stoked on the design so far. And I think I'm gonna paint it same red, the frame, the tank, and do white pinstriping on the tank and some kind of logo on the tank, and maybe tie in the brown from the saddle also somewhere. We'll see. Right, so we got the frame on the welding table. I got the ESAB MIG. Gonna weld all the joints, and then I'm gonna cut about here, and we will fit the pipe for the fork, and we will also drill and fit a pipe for the saddle as well. Let's do that. All welded up. Not my best weld, but it's not a show piece, and it will hold going down the road. Here I started on the top of the tank. I ran it through the English wheel, and I tipped the edges with the bead roller with the tipping dies. So I just finished up marking up where I wanted these two bars. And I think it flows pretty good with the frame. And just tacked on the tank and put on the handlebars. I'm not super stoked about this handlebar rise clamp. Might drill and tap some kind of bar fastener here instead. But it looks pretty cool. First, test fit. I'm a pretty big guy, so it's hard to build bikes and cars that are proportionate, but looks pretty good. I then continued on the tank parts. I pre-punched the sides of the plates to be able to use tech screws to hold all the parts together while I'm welding. And that's it for this episode. I think we got a really strong start on this project, and the frame is almost ready to start to prep for paint, and the tank is ready to weld together. So thanks for watching, and hit the like and subscribe buttons, and we will see you on the next episode.